Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm showing you how to make a green salad with this stir fry that I had just made. If you haven't watched the video on the stir fry, I will put it on the link up here, and do watch it, make it. So if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and let's get to this. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is to put in our cucumber. And then secondly, we're going to put in some of our tomatoes. Put a little bit of our stir fry on top. This is going to be absolutely delicious. You do want to eat this chicken stir fry salad or share it with your visitor. And now we're going to put in some ring onion just for that beautiful round onion filling on top and to decorate our mixture. Here's the thing. And after we put in the remaining of our lettuce. To top this and make it even more flavorsome, we're gonna put in a little bit of this salad dressing that I made. Just a little bit, and the rest will be used to put directly on top of the vegetable after serving. This is going to be fantastic. A wonderful green salad for your liking. So that's it guys, this was a simple stir fry green salad for your liking. Do check the recipe of how I made the stir fry, but if you don't want to make the stir fry, you can just use some simple fried chicken, and this is just going to taste as great. So if you're new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I love you guys, bye.